मेरा टेक्सास का सफर मुझे लाया है आज ऑस्टिन के इस सबब में जहां राज और सुनीता रहते हैं. Raj is an engineer with an MBA and Sunita is a management professional and a stay-home mom. Together they have two lovely kids. We have the football playing, dirt bike riding Gaurav and we have piano playing Anushka. I'm sure with all this professional success they have their own food challenges at home with the kids. और उनका समाधान मैं आज करने वाला हूं इस एपिसोड में. Now I am in Raj and Sunita's pristine white kitchen and I'm here to answer the question, what's for dinner in this show जिसका नाम है Kavan Kitchen Mate. Let me go to your fridge, okay?
Kunal, let's get a selfie first.
बड़ा सारा खाना निकाला है हमने आपके फ्रिज से. तो ये आपने बनाया कि पड़ोसियों ने भी कंट्रीब्यूट किया?
नहीं, बिल्कुल हमने बनाया घर पे.
अच्छा.
Just try and make as much as I can for the kids.
All right, so let's see.
Well, that's pesto pasta.
Pesto pasta, okay.
Yep.
Okay, then it has peas in it. What is this sauce?
Just kind of onion, tomato paste.
Basic
Yep.
gravy. This is some sort of
Dal.
Dal. Okay, the water is on top. So
Spinach dal.
Spinach dal, healthy.
One of my favorites.
This looks
Cracked wheat.
cracked wheat.
Yep.
Upma, can I call it?
Upma, that's
Absolutely,
exactly
cracked
what it
wheat.
is.
Big breakfast dish for you guys, right? South
Yeah.
Indians.
South Indians, breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever.
He seems to be loving it. What is this?
It's kind of dried, but coconut chutney.
All right, this is another cracked wheat variation, I
Yep.
think.
Yep.
Okay.
With a little bit more peas.
A little bit more peas.
That's my main staple, which is kind of a salad. It's cabbage and it's just kind of cabbage salad, which the kids love as well. So try to get as
Okay.
much as vegetables.
तड़का वड़का
possible.
लगाया है इसमें जीरा
हाँ,
और
Lemon.
राई.
Absolutely,
Tadka.
lemon.
What is that? I've never seen anything like that.
Ooh,
That's definitely a first.
that's just eggplant. It's just mushed up eggplant with cilantro and chilies. And,
That's
Yeah, her last name before Shadi is Vankaila. In Telugu, it means Bagan something related to Bagan.
Oh.
There you go.
So we
That's
cook
what that
bangan
is.
a lot.
So are you Andhra?
Yes,
We're
we
both
are.
on.
Both Andhra.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah.
What is this?
This is chili paste.
Chili paste. Chili. See, Andhra
See,
chili.
there you go. We gotta have chili.
Yeah, they do more red chili though,
Yeah.
right?
Red and green.
This is what?
Just mango pulp.
Out of a can.
Canned.
Out of a can.
Canned.
We'll do
Yes.
something with it. Okay, this seems like North Indian style.
Yeah, it's just paneer, quick paneer sabji.
Quick paneer sabzi.
Yeah.
So this is anda curry.
And that.
And already.
Okay, cool. Whew. What a diverse selection. So there's some pasta, there is some North Indian food, there is some bangan which I've never had in my life but which looks interesting.
Yeah.
So dosto, if you have thought of something to make with this food or any other leftovers, interact with us on Facebook, Kavan Kitchen Mate, and hashtag डालिएगा KKM2. मुझे अभी छोटा सा ब्रेक चाहिए. हाजिर होते हैं कुछ ही देर में. देखते रहिए कुणाल के साथ Kavan Kitchen Mate. Welcome back to Kavan Kitchen Mate. So, आपके फ्रिज में बहुत कुछ मिला मुझे, लेकिन I have shortlisted a few ingredients. Pasta, याद है? Basil pesto pasta something.
बिल्कुल.
So I'm using a few of your boiled eggs. ये अंडे थे जो मैंने करी में से निकाल लिए हैं, उनको मैंने थोड़ा चॉप कर दिया है. You gave me some mango pulp. I stole some sriracha from your fridge. I also stole from some Greek yogurt from your fridge. You gave me some green peas. That's one dish. उसके बाद I've chopped this egg curry up and I've lined this pie dish. Then I took some cheese, grated cheese, a little bit of butter, an egg yolk, and you had two kinds of upmas.
Yeah.
So I've put that also. So this is one set. I'm going to make something with that. And for this dish, I've taken some stock. This is some sauce which you had, onion, tomato, masala sauce.
Correct.
Then you had some leftover coconut chutney. You had some dry leftover paneer ki sabzi. In this little basket, I have cornstarch, I have chopped ginger, I have some sugar. And while you were making your hair, I was in the garden plucking these basil leaves.
Right from the backyard.
Right from the backyard. So Raj, before I make my first dish, I want to know, how did you end up in this beautiful palatial home from a dorm room as a student?
So I think it started in '91. Came to the States, much like many of the immigrants that have come here to do my master's.
Right.
So came in, did my first interview at a company called EMD, and they made an offer, never looked back, moved to Austin, finished my thesis, did my defense, came to Austin, been here ever since. It's about since '94 that I've been in Austin, Texas. This is my second home after Hyderabad.
That's such an inspiring story for our younger generation. Kudos to that. I am going to first make a dressing. Now this dressing will have unusual ingredients. You gave me some mango pulp. तो दर्शकों, देखा आपने कैसे मैंने मैंगो पल्प और श्रीराचा और इनके बचा हुआ जो योगर्ट था उसको लेके ये सैलेड बनाया। सब कुछ लेफ्ट ओवर था, बचे हुए अंडा था, बचा हुआ पास्ता था, बचे हुए मटर थे, कुछ भी फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच नहीं है, सब कुछ इनके फ्रिज से ही निकला हुआ है।
I think you had me at the sauce concoction right there with a combination of sriracha and mango pulp. I thought it was so creative.
Right.
And just the very fact that I can add some anda and protein to anything and to pasta give that additional protein. I think my kids would totally love that.
Yes, for
I
the
think
growing
that's great.
boy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think it's absolutely
The
great.
footballer, right?
Yes.
We'll see him soon. All right, so we got to know about Raj.
Yeah.
I want to know about you now. So what was your journey?
Yeah, well, born and brought up in India, and then as a family we moved to France and lived there about 5.5 years. Met Raj and moved to the US, and I personally had a great experience moving to the US because I think it's just a amalgamation of all cultures. You still have your Desi food and your Desi culture and your touch with the local atmosphere. So for me, it was a fantastic experience coming
Yes,
from
you're
France
very
to
right. The
US.
very fact that we actually have a show like this one made by the Desis for the Desis outside India proves your point. There's no cooking involved. It's just mixing and it's going to be made in the oven. Most of my dishes are inspired by international classics because then people identify to it, kids identify to it.
Yeah.
So this one is a shepherd's pie. Now you will say, where's the meat? There's no meat. You'll say, where's the potato? There's no potato, but I'm still calling it shepherd's pie. Now, I had this anda curry again. So this is chopped up anda curry. I just chopped it up with a little sauce, the same sauce, and I lined it. Now, what is the top part of the shepherd's pie?
Cheese?
And potato. Mashed potato.
That's right.
Not so healthy.
Right.
Instead of that, I'm going to be using your bacha hua upma and that bacha hua cracked wheat. That's my substitute for potato.
Beautiful.
You're going to mix it to make it smooth. You're going to put a little bit of egg yolk. ये भी आपके फ्रिज से निकला है और मैंने बटर भी थोड़ा सा ढूंढ के निकाल दिया। बट इतना सा डालेंगे थोड़ा सा because you have to make it smooth. थोड़ा सा ये डालिए. Do half of it.
So I'll take half.
Yeah. ये पूरा डाल दो और half of this. I'll put half the cheese in.
Okay.
Okay, now like it doesn't have to mix, it has to layer.
Cheese on top.
I mean, cheese is not bad if used in moderation.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
protein,
moderation,
yeah.
moderation,
Some protein,
everything in moderation. And there you go. That's your something like a shepherd's pie made from leftover anda curry, leftover upma और थोड़ा सा cheese. इसको हम डालेंगे oven में. Shepherd's pie जो होती है already cooked है, everything is already cooked. Just want to form a crust on top. So 350 for like 10 minutes. Again, no rules.
Beautiful.
There it goes, beautiful, nice. I made 2 dishes so far. The first one is a pasta and egg salad, जो इनके बचे हुए अंडे की करी से अंडे निकाले, बचा हुआ पास्ता, बचे हुए मटर. जो दूसरी डिश थी, it is inspired from the British classic shepherd's pie. Instead of the meat, we had again chopped up anda curry, made a layer of it in a pie dish, top it up, not with mashed potatoes, but with something very healthy, which is bacha hua upma and cracked wheat into the oven. How do you like it?
Easy and fast and
Healthy.
good.
Good.
Healthy.
अभी बहुत कुछ बाकी है. हमें अपनी तीसरी डिश भी बनानी है, हमें अपने वास्तु एक्सपर्ट से भी बातें करनी है और आपके बच्चे के साथ टेस्टिंग भी करनी है. He is the judge. हाजिर होते हैं थोड़ी सी ब्रेक के बाद. जाइएगा मत, देखते रहिए कुणाल के साथ कवान किचन में. वेलकम बैक टू कवान किचन मेट. मैं हूं आज ऑस्टिन टेक्सास में सुनीता और राज के घर में और मैंने ऑलरेडी 2 डिशेस बना दी हैं इनके लेफ्ट ओवर से. आप अपनी फीडबैक भेजें इन डिशेस के बारे में ऑन आवर फेसबुक पेज. अगर आपने नहीं किया है तो अभी लॉग ऑन करें. अब बारी आ गई है हमारी तीसरी और फाइनल डिश की. इस डिश के अंदर हम प्रॉपर कुकिंग करेंगे. पहले तो हमने ओवन में बनाया, सैलेड बनाया. This dish is inspired by a Thai curry. No green curry, red curry, सब Thai curry.
Love
It
Thai.
can be any kind. तो Thai curry कैसे बनेगी? आपके पनीर से बना रहे हैं. पनीर की Thai curry बना रहे हैं. Because that's the protein which I found. And you can make it with chicken, you can make it with anything. Thai curry में ginger बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं. Basil यूज़ करते हैं. Coconut milk यूज़ करते हैं. और भी चीज़ें यूज़ करते हैं. लेकिन वो चीज़ें जो होती हैं वो स्पाइसीज होती हैं. वो हमारी आएंगे आपकी बची हुई इंडियन ग्रेवी से. India and Thai are very common in their flavor profile, right? और थोड़ी सी टैमरिंड यूज करेंगे. टैमरिंड हम इंडिया में भी यूज करते हैं, थाई में भी यूज करते हैं. तो जो खट्टा मीठा सॉस बनेगा. So what do we do? So I really wanted coconut milk, लेकिन मुझे coconut milk आपकी पेंट्री में दिखाई नहीं. तो मैंने सोचा मैं coconut milk को भी आपके यहाँ बनाऊंगा from your बचा हुआ coconut चटनी. अब आंध्रा के हैं ये, तो इनके घर में हमें coconut चटनी मिल गई. तो हम कोकोनट चटनी से ही कोकोनट मिल्क बनाएंगे. It's not going to have the same consistency, but you know something's better than nothing.
Yeah.
That's what we do. Chutney. So I put some chicken stock. Cornstarch. अब शुमन तक कर दो इसको.
Good.
Perfect.
That's a lot of work.
थोड़ा सा मैं डालूंगा तेल because I'm going to saute some ginger.
That looks great.
Yeah, it's Thai paneer.
Thai paneer.
Yeah, with an Indian touch. So, I mean, your paneer was not bad. It's just that you can only have it one day or 2
Yeah.
days. But you know, as an Indian mother,
Yeah.
you make it in such huge quantities. जैसे पूरा मोहल्ला खाने आ रहा है, लेकिन मोहल्ला खाने आता है नहीं. फिर ये गार्बेज में जाता है.
Yeah.
उसके लिए फिर कुणाल की रेसिपीज काम आती हैं.
बिल्कुल.
हाँ, तो अब आप भी मुझे बताइएगा कि कैसा लगा जब you make it yourself. And you too, let me know if you try this Thai-style paneer made from leftover paneer ki sabzi. As far as pairing is concerned, you can have it with rice, white rice, brown rice, or since you are a carb-conscious family, I saw some whole wheat kawan parathas inside. I think they will go perfectly with this.
That's great.
Alright, so that was our cooking part. दोस्तों, इस शो में हम सिर्फ खाना ही नहीं बनाते, लेकिन वास्तु के बारे में भी जानते हैं from our वास्तु expert रेवा कुमार जी. Unfortunately, Reva Kumarji is traveling and can't be with us tonight. But thanks to technology, she is in my hands. Let me connect to her.
Hello Kunal, Raj and Sunita. How are you guys?
Hi Reva ji.
Hi there.
Hey there.
I really apologize due to my busy schedule. I can't be with you guys at this moment.
Sure.
बहुत ही खूबसूरत घर है. It is facing towards the north west, जिसमें air element करते हैं. नॉर्थ वेस्ट फेसिंग घर कोई भी होगा, उस घर में पैसे की तो कभी कमी हो ही नहीं सकती है. लेकिन ट्रैवलिंग भी बहुत ज़्यादा रहती है. साथ ही साथ सबके लिए एक मैं टिप भी देना चाहती हूँ, स्पेशली फॉर दिस शो. आप सबके लिए टिप देना चाहती हूँ, इफ़ यू आर हैविंग ए स्विमिंग पूल इन द साउथ वेस्ट, बेटर इट शुड नॉट बी देयर। अगर किसी रीज़न से अर्थ एलिमेंट को डिग करके स्विमिंग पूल बनाया है तो उसको आप एनर्जी को शिफ्ट कीजिए। याद रखें, हमारी अर्थ है, इट इज़ इंक्लाइन टू द नॉर्थ ईस्ट, so if we are getting the cosmic energy from the northeast, southwest has to be more elevated, तो आप अर्थ एलिमेंट को बिल्कुल भी डिग नहीं करें। स्पेशली फॉर द रिलेशनशिप्स को लेके, अगर आपका साउथ वेस्ट एलिवेटेड होगा या साउथ वेस्ट में आपका मास्टर बेडरूम होगा तो पर्सनल रिलेशन में आप बहुत हार्मनी ले सकते हैं, लॉन्गेविटी ले सकते हैं, ग्रो कर सकते हैं, चाहे वो पैसा हो चाहे कुछ ही हो। तो अर्थ एलिमेंट को अपनी मनी को ग्रो करने के लिए, अपने पैसे को ग्रो करने के लिए यूज़ कीजिए, ना कि वहाँ पर डिग करके फायर एलिमेंट या वाटर एलिमेंट को लाने के लिए। दिस इज़ माई पर्सनल एडवाइस टू यू।
Oh, that's great to know.
आई होप यू गाइज आर इंजॉइंग। कुणाल के साथ अच्छी अच्छी डिशेस बना के भी आप खाना खा रहे हैं, लेकिन भूलिएगा नहीं, नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं जब मिलूंगी तो राज और सुनीता जी, मैं डेफिनेटली आपके साथ आके खाना खाऊंगी कि आपके साथ कुणाल का कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था। थैंक्स टू मीट यू गाइज।
Take care.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, we're all set with our gorgeous tasting table. Everything looks nice, don't you think?
Looks great.
Okay, so let's recap for our viewers what we did today. We made an egg and pasta salad. The eggs came from bacha hua egg curry. Pasta was already there, pasta with pesto. We made a dressing with sriracha, mango pulp, वो भी बचा हुआ, and some Greek yogurt. उसके बाद ये पर्दे की बिरयानी, नॉट रियली ये पर्दे की बिरयानी नहीं है, ये है एक शेपर्ड्स पाई से इंस्पायर्ड डिश जो कि बनी है इनके बची हुई एग करी से और उपमा से और चीज से। जिन्होंने नहीं देखा है ये एपिसोड, रिवाइंड कर लीजिए और सोचते रहिए कैसे बनी है। तीसरी डिश ये था इनका पनीर, पंजाबी स्टाइल नॉर्थ इंडियन पनीर की सब्जी, उसको मैंने दिया है थाई तड़का, जो मैंने इनकी बेसिल जो मैंने इनके गार्डन से ली, जिंजर, some coconut milk which you didn't give me. I made coconut milk from their coconut chutney, and kawan ka whole wheat paratha to go with it since they don't eat too much rice. All right, tasting time. So where are the MVPs?
Let's bring them in. It looks great, but let's bring the testers in.
Cool.
So, you guys ready to taste?
You are the judges. Yeah. So please give me an honest feedback. एक एक करके सब चीज खाओ। ये लो अपना fork.
Take a fork.
There you go. Chalo. So let's do the egg salad first. Egg and pasta salad. Dig in, dig in.
Dig in.
Mom. Ab aa gaya next
that's
one.
The salad. Salad
That's
is
the salad.
great. It's fantastic.
Since we're going back and forth for the name, I have a name now, and that's final. It is called the Raj Pie.
That's a good name. You know what that means? It's the king's pie.
Okay.
Raj.
Okay.
There you go. King's pie. There you
King
go.
ji, kha lo.
ये तो हो गया सास बहुओं की डिशों का मिलाप।
अच्छा।
उपमा मेरा था, एक करी उसकी थी,
अरे।
बनाया आपने।
मैंने सास बहू को मिला दिया। Great. How do you like it?
Amazing.
It's amazing.
Dig in, Gaurav. This looks great.
बहुत बढ़िया।
Wow.
Very
Very
good.
nice.
तो दोस्तों, आपने देखा कैसे हम मस्ती कर रहे हैं और हमने कैसे खाना बनाया है। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि हमारी टीम आपके घर आए तो आप लॉग ऑन करें kawankitchenmade.com पर और अपनी एंट्री भेजें। एंड प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक आवर फेसबुक पेज एंड शेयर योर क्रिएटिव आइडियाज विद अस। अगले हफ्ते एक नए शहर में एक नए परिवार के साथ मिलेंगे, इसी समय इसी मंच पर। नमस्कार।
Thai curry with the paneer was phenomenal.
The salad and the Thai dish were equally good for me.
North Indian paneer and South Indian coconut chutney to make coconut milk. Never would have imagined, but I can see it's possible.
It was such an interesting combination of mango and sriracha, which I would never think, and almost it's such an easy ingredient. There's nothing to make about it. It's 3 ingredients you just kind of squish together and make up a new dish.
It tasted really good. That was my favorite dish. There's a lot you could do with what you've got. I think that's what I'd say.
It was truly to the concept of the show. You did work with my leftovers, and you really came up with 3 amazing dishes.